In this video, I share with you a 6-step approach on how to reach your extraordinary goals. You can use it for any area of your life, but of course, if it's something that doesn't come from you, it's somebody else telling you that you need to reach a specific goal, like it's your partner telling you you need to get healthier, or your boss telling you you need to get better at this specific skill, then it's something that is harder to reach, of course, because you don't have that intrinsic motivation for reaching that specific goal. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female entrepreneurs to streamline their businesses so that they can get more time for what actually matters. If you want more information about that, have a look in the description below. What is an extraordinary goal? It is something that is currently impossible to you, but it's aligned with your desires, so it's something that you really want to reach. It requires growth. So you will need to step out of your comfort zone to be able to reach that goal. It is specific, of course, as any goal, it needs to be specific so that we can measure your progress. And it has a clear deadline to it, and it is something that is extraordinary for you. It feels extraordinary for you. Let's dig into the 6 steps on how to set your extraordinary goal and ensure that you actually reach it. So the first step is to envision your long-term goal. I like to do this through a future self letter. I'll put a link below to another video where I describe how to do that future self letter. But it's about setting a goal like 3 years or 5 years from now. The second step is to slice that down and pick one goal that you would like to reach within the next 12 months, so a yearly goal. The third step is to make a massive action list. So write down the 50 actions that you need to take to be able to reach that goal. So write down everything that you can think of that you will need to do to be able to reach that goal. Once you have done that, the fourth step is to write down all the obstacles that you are aware of today. All the obstacles internal in you that you don't think that you will be able to reach it, or external, maybe your partner doesn't believe in you, or just anything around this goal that will make it hard for you to reach it, because we want to be aware of all the obstacles that we might find on our path for reaching this goal. Then the fifth step is to make a plan. So to calendar everything. When will you work on this goal? Will it be every day between 7 and 7:30? Will it be every Sunday between 12 and 3? Or when are you planning to work on this goal? Because of course, if we don't put time into reaching a goal, there's no way that we will actually reach it. The last step is to evaluate everything monthly. So sit down once a month and really write down what you have reached of your monthly goals. Were you able to reach them? Why not? What can you improve for next month? Let me know in the comments below which is the main obstacle that you see on your way to reaching your extraordinary goal. I would love to hear, and maybe I can support in some way. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that, and make sure that you enable the notifications so that you will get notified whenever I release a video on how to improve your business and how to get more time for what really matters in your life. I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.